Are you getting FC25 error CE-34878-0 on PS4 and PS5? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Method 1. Restart the game. If you are getting error CE-34878-0 while playing FC25 on PS4 or PS5, press the PS button on the controller. This should lead to the PlayStation home screen. The game's icon should now be highlighted but not chosen. Press the Options button on your controller. Choose Close Application and next select OK. Method 2. Power cycle the gaming console. FC25 error CE-34878-0 error can cause the game to crash, and so you can power cycle the console and then relaunch the game. Sometimes the cache data may get corrupted and result in PS console errors. So power cycle the console to get rid of the cache. To do that, hold the power button of the console for a few seconds till it completely turns off. Once the controller is off, release the power button and unplug it from the main powered source. Wait for a few minutes and then plug it back in and restart the console. Method 3. Update the game. When you start the game or app, it automatically updates to the newest version available, but you can check for the game updates following these steps. Highlight the FC25 thumbnail in your game home screen and press the Options button. Select Check for update. If an update is available, install the update following the on-screen instructions. Method 4. Update the console. If your gaming console is outdated, then also you may see errors while gaming. So download and install the latest updates via Safe Mode. Safe Mode enables you to perform some basic operations and fix the issues. Press the power button on your console and turn the device off. Again, press and hold the power switch until you hear 2 consecutive beeps. Use a USB cable to connect the console and the controller. You need to press the PS button on the PlayStation controller. Now this will take the PS to safe mode. Click on the Update System Software option from safe mode and let the process get finished. Restart the console and relaunch the game. Now you should not get the error. Method 5. Rebuild the database. Rebuilding the database on your PlayStation console essentially reorganizes the data on your hard drive. This process can help resolve issues like slow performance, game crashes, and other system errors by cleaning up and optimizing the data structure. So rebuild the database when you are getting FC25 errors. To rebuild the database, first switch off the gaming console. Next, press the power button of the PS console and hold it till you hear 2 beeps. This should boot the PS console into safe mode. Now connect the console to the DualShock controller via USB cable from your controller. Now press the PlayStation switch. Next, choose Rebuild Database to finish the process. Method 6. Initialize the gaming console. You can also choose to initialize the console. This should delete all the data saved on the console and refresh it. So before you perform this method, you can back up the system if you do not want to lose important data. Here are the steps to initialize the PS4 console. Go to your console settings and select the initialization option. Next, select Initialize PS4, then Full. Choose the option as per your system settings. Now follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. You can also restore your saved data from the USB device after the process finishes. Try to launch the game again and check if this could fix the issue. Method 7. Disable face recognition. If the PS camera connected to your gaming console is causing errors, try disconnecting it to see if that resolves the issue. Follow these steps. Unplug the camera from the console. Go to Settings on your console. Navigate to Devices and select Turn Off Device. Choose Camera and turn it off. Restart your PS4. Open Settings again. Select User and then Login Settings. Uncheck the box next to Enable Face Recognition. After completing these steps, try opening the game again. This should help prevent any errors related to the PS camera. Method 8. Reinstall the game. If the solutions shown previously could not fix the issue, then reinstall the game. As this process will delete all the saved data, so first back up the saved data in some new USB storage device or on an online cloud service. You should get these options in the Settings menu. So from the home screen of the console, head to Settings, then select Application Data Management, then select Save Data in System Storage. Now select the game and from your controller press the Options button. Next select the Delete option. Alternatively, go to the PS Store and search for the game. Then select the game and press the X button on your controller. Select the Delete Data option. If asked for, type your PS password and then select OK. Now the game data will be deleted from your PS4 console. Now reinstall the game and restore the saved game files from the USB or online cloud storage. Method 9. Check for overheating. Ensure your console is not overheated. Check that the console vents are unobstructed and there is a good airflow. Keep the console in a cool and dry area. Make sure there is no direct sunlight or any heating object nearby. You can also clean the vents of the console. Method 10. Check the hard drive. Also make sure the hard drive is not responsible for the issues. To do so, you will need a PC. Now connect the PS console HHD to a computer. Head to this PC. Then right-click on the hard drive's icon. Select Show More options. Next, open its properties. Open the Tools tab. Click on Check under Error Checking. Let the process finish. Once done, replug the PlayStation console's HDD and relaunch the game. If the error persists, you can check with another hard drive and replace the old one if necessary. Method 11. Contact PlayStation support team. If none of the methods shown could fix the error, you can contact the PlayStation support team. Type your problem and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix FC25 error CE-34878-0 on PS4 and PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.